Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Toyota Corolla Maintenance Plan. Keep your car running smoothly. Maintaining your Toyota Corolla is essential for keeping it in top shape and extending its lifespan. Regular upkeep not only boosts performance but also saves you money in the long run. A well-maintained Corolla runs efficiently, which means fewer costly repairs down the line and better fuel economy. Plus, staying on top of maintenance ensures your car is safe for you and your passengers. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about setting up a solid maintenance plan for your Corolla. Understanding the Toyota Corolla maintenance schedule. Keeping up with your Toyota Corolla's maintenance schedule is crucial for its health and longevity. By following the recommended service intervals, you can ensure your car runs smoothly and avoid unexpected breakdowns. Below, we'll explore the maintenance tasks you need to perform based on mileage and time intervals. Mileage-based maintenance. Toyota suggests certain maintenance tasks at specific mileage intervals to keep your Corolla in peak condition. Each interval focuses on different aspects of the vehicle to ensure everything remains in good working order. Here's a breakdown of what you need to do. Every 5,000 miles. Oil and filter change. Regular oil changes are vital for engine health. Tire rotation. Rotating your tires evenly distributes wear, extending their lifespan. Brake inspection. Ensure your brakes are functioning properly for safety. Every 15,000 miles. Replace engine air filter. A clean air filter keeps contaminants out of your engine. Inspect coolant levels. Proper coolant levels protect your engine from overheating. Check wipers and windshield. Effective wipers are crucial for visibility during adverse weather. Every 30,000 miles. Replace cabin air filter. This filter keeps the air inside your car clean. Inspect and replace spark plugs, if needed. Worn-out spark plugs can affect your car's performance and fuel efficiency. Inspect all fluid levels. Fluids like brake, transmission, and power steering should be at optimal levels. Every 60,000 miles. Replace brake fluid. Fresh brake fluid ensures your braking system works effectively. Inspect timing belt. A worn timing belt can lead to engine failure, so it's crucial to check it regularly. Every 100,000 miles. Replace coolant. Flushing and replacing the coolant keeps your engine running efficiently. Check suspension components. Ensure your suspension system is in good shape for a comfortable and safe ride. Time-based maintenance. Certain services should be performed based on the age of your vehicle, regardless of how many miles you've driven. Here's what you need to do. Every 6 months. Inspect battery. A healthy battery ensures your car starts reliably. Check tire pressure and alignment. Proper tire pressure and alignment improve fuel efficiency and tire lifespan. Examine belts and hoses. Look for signs of wear to prevent potential breakdowns. Annually. Comprehensive vehicle inspection. A yearly checkup by your mechanic can catch small issues before they become big problems. Replace windshield wipers. New wipers are essential for safe driving in bad weather. Check exhaust system. Ensure there are no leaks or damage that could affect performance and safety. By adhering to this maintenance schedule, you can keep your Toyota Corolla running smoothly and avoid costly repairs. Regular maintenance not only keeps your car in excellent condition but also ensures it's safe for you and your passengers. Essential maintenance tasks for your Toyota Corolla. Maintaining your Toyota Corolla is key to preserving its performance and extending its lifespan. Essential tasks like oil changes, tire maintenance, brake inspections, and battery care ensure your car runs smoothly and safely. Let's break down these crucial maintenance activities. Oil changes. Regular oil changes are the backbone of your Corolla's health. Fresh oil lubricates the engine, reducing friction and wear on moving parts. Toyota recommends using high-quality synthetic oil for optimal performance. Neglecting oil changes can cause sludge buildup, overheating, and even engine failure. Aim to change your oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles to keep your engine in top shape. Tire maintenance. Your tires are the only part of the car that touches the road, making their maintenance critical. Proper tire care involves rotation. Rotate your tires every 5,000 miles to ensure even wear, which extends their life. Balancing. Have your tires balanced when you rotate them to avoid vibrations and uneven tread wear. Alignment. Regular alignment checks prevent uneven tire wear and improve fuel efficiency. Pressure. Check tire pressure monthly. Proper inflation enhances handling and fuel economy. Ignoring these tasks can lead to premature tire wear, poor handling, and reduced fuel efficiency. Brake inspection and maintenance. Your brakes are crucial for safety. Regular brake inspections help identify issues before they become dangerous. Key points to consider. Inspection. Check your brakes every 5,000 miles. Brake pads. Replace brake pads when they are less than 1/4 inch thick or if you hear squealing noises. Signs of wear. Look for signs like a spongy brake pedal, longer stopping distances, or a grinding noise. Consistent brake maintenance ensures your Corolla stops safely and effectively. Battery care. A healthy battery means a reliable start every time you turn the key. To maintain your battery. Maintenance. Check the battery terminals for corrosion and clean them as needed. Signs of replacement. Replace your battery if the engine cranks slowly, you see corrosion, or it's over 3 years old. Prolonging life. Avoid short trips, keep the battery charged, and ensure it's securely mounted to prevent unnecessary vibrations. Proper battery care can prevent inconvenient breakdowns and keep your Corolla running smoothly. Regularly performing these essential maintenance tasks not only keeps your Toyota Corolla in excellent condition but also ensures your safety on the road. Stay on top of these tasks, and your Corolla will serve you well for many years to come. Advanced maintenance and checks. To keep your Toyota Corolla running at its best, you need to pay attention to more advanced maintenance tasks. These tasks are crucial for your car's performance and longevity. Let's go through some important areas you should focus on. Transmission service. The transmission is a vital part of your Corolla, ensuring that power from the engine makes it to the wheels. Regular transmission fluid checks and changes are essential for keeping it in good working order. Fluid checks. You should check the transmission fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. Low or dirty fluid can lead to shifting problems and even transmission failure. Fluid changes. Most experts recommend changing the transmission fluid every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. Fresh fluid helps lubricate the parts and keep everything cool. Ignoring the transmission can lead to costly repairs. Make sure to include it in your regular maintenance routine. Coolant system maintenance. The coolant system in your Corolla prevents the engine from overheating by circulating coolant through the engine and radiator. Proper care of this system ensures your car runs efficiently. Checking coolant levels. Check the coolant level at least once a month. Make sure the level is between the low and full marks on the reservoir. If it's low, you might have a leak. Flushing and replacing coolant. Over time, coolant can become contaminated and less effective. Flush and replace the coolant every 50,000 to 100,000 miles based on your driving habits and environment. A well-maintained coolant system keeps your engine running at the right temperature, preventing expensive engine damage. Timing belt and chain inspection. The timing belt or chain in your Corolla is crucial for synchronizing the camshaft and crankshaft, ensuring that the engine valves open and close at the right times. Neglecting this component can lead to severe engine damage. Thank you for watching part 1 of our Toyota Corolla Maintenance Plan series. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll continue exploring crucial maintenance tasks to ensure your Corolla stays in peak condition. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.